Welcome to week 7. Good morning. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving holiday and that you had an opportunity to relax and spend time with your family. We have now concluded 6 whole weeks of classes. We are now on the stretch with 2 more weeks to go in the semester. There are some items I want to call to your attention. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented below. Here are here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. One new chapter or the equivalent of 2 more weeks of work. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. Many of the due dates this week are due in different days than the typical pattern we follow this semester. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Make sure to read Chapter 12, Services and Settlements, page 430 to 457 on your textbook. Also read the lecture notes, instructor study guides, and the videos provided as content for these topics. Cultural Geography Special Topic Discussion number 4. Cultural Geography News Discussion number 4 is already available and it is due Thursday, December 5th by 11:59 p.m. Cultural Geography Special Topic Discussion number 4 is available Monday, December 2nd, and it is due Friday, December 6th by 11:59 p.m. Map Quiz number 4 Asia is already available and it is due Saturday, December 7th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 4 available tomorrow, December 2nd, is due Sunday, December 8th by 11:59 p.m. Don't forget to answer each question and provide references from class materials for your assertions. Please remember to log in to the course at least 3 times a week, or preferably daily, so I can see that you're active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course. I will finish grading reflection number 2 and will continue to grade the remaining assignments in the next couple of days. The last reflection number 4 is due Sunday. If you're missing assignments, quizzes, discussion, or reflections, there's little time in the class to complete them. If they're not done by next week, it will be reflected in your final grade. Next week is the last week of the class, and there are 3 last assignments remaining. All of the assignments need to be completed by Friday, December 13th. You will not be able to submit assignments after December 15th. I will continue to grade all of the remaining assignments because after that I need to finalize the grades so they can be submitted by Monday or the week after, or of the week after. I will continue to grade assignments and grade assignments in the next few days. Have a great rest of the week and we'll see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.